my name is Lisa. I'd like to welcome you to Miss Lisa's Learning Hub. We're going to continue our conversation today about adjectives. Remember, we said that adjectives were descriptive words. Well, today we're going to talk about a particular type of adjective that's called an article. The articles are a, an, and the. All right, so we would always use the letter A only before a consonant. So if we have a bear, a cat, a dog, those would all be words that start with consonants, so we're always going to use the article a before those words. If we have a word that starts with a vowel, A, E, I, O, or U, we're going to use the word an. So an owl, an adventure. Okay? So a we use before a consonant, and we use before the word that starts with a vowel. And we can also use the word the, like the dog, the cat, the bear. So let's look at some practice sentences. And we need to choose if we're going to use the word a or an. The first one, have you seen a or an owl? What do you think? All right, so we have to look at this word to make that decision. This word starts with an O, which we know is a vowel. So we know when we have something started with a vowel, we have to use the word an. So the sentence would be, have you seen an owl? All right, let's look at the next one. I bought an new guitar for my son. We have to look at this word, right? This word starts with an N. That's a consonant. So we know when we're starting with a consonant that we use the letter A. So I bought my son a new guitar. Next sentence. An golden retriever is a breed of dog. So we have to look at the word golden, right? Golden starts with G. That's a consonant. So what do we need to use? Which one, A or an? All right, if you said A, you would be correct because we use the letter A before a consonant. Next one. Donna started an art class at the community center. So we have to look at the word art. Art starts with an A. This is a vowel, so we know that when we have a vowel, we have to use which one? If you said an, you would be correct. Donna started an art class at the community center. All right, guys, that is our lesson on articles. If you like what you saw, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one.